you're ready to do the next stage, which is to put the glue on the second magnet, which is at the top, fold it over and push it down. Hi guys, it's Jamie here, and today we're going to make, for day 11 of the 100-day challenge by Roxy Creations, some pocket flips. I went through my leftovers, scrap box, things that I had been using for other projects but hadn't used all of it, and found these papers by the Eclectic Paper Craft Art Company. I'll link their details in the description below. And this is what I'm going to make the pocket flips from. The idea is that you have a tri-folded piece of paper, and that this bit at the back goes onto the journal page. I don't know if I've got a journal page to show you. If you imagine this as the journal page, that'll do. So that would go onto the journal page, and you'd seal down two sides, so your pocket's at the top, and then this would open out. To be able to do these properly, what we need to do is put a notch here so that you can see that it is a pocket. Very, very thin copy paper. So I will place some paper behind it to make it a little bit thicker. Try and line that up halfway. I'm just trying to see where the folds are. Not very straight, I don't think. Oh, no, it's okay. This might be too tall for my journal, actually, looking at it, so I'm probably going to take a bit off the bottom here. Decorate these so that it's something interesting. So this side first, and we are going to use scraps to decorate it, and I do have loads. I've got some from this kit. I am not really going to think too heavily about how this is going to go down. Just going to cover it a bit like you would a collage and see what happens. And if we need some central focus points on the pages, we'll do those. It will help make this paper a bit stronger as well, with it only being copy paper. Got a beautiful tear on it, that one. I don't know that I want to keep that tear, so I want that to be on the top. Let's see what else we have. Some of this paper. I haven't edged any paper or anything at the moment. We've got a lot of grunginess going on in this journal. Might ink round the edges when this is complete. That one's been inked, so that's okay, isn't it? There's just endless amounts of scrap. This definitely needs edging. I'll just see what else is in here. There's so much. Maybe go that way. Okay. I wanted to put this one along this edge because I love the tears in it. It's actually caused by it getting chewed up by the printer. So that's one page. If we want to put anything else down, that's got a bit of glue on there, so that could probably do with something going over that bit. Could stain this brown. Now, where was that glue? There. So just covering up the glue stains with that. And actually that gives you a bit of a journaling spot on that page anyway. And then we need to decorate this front. And again, a bit of a scrap busting project this. Do that one all the way down there. Okay, so we're going to need something across that bit. Somewhere in here I've got some more Victorian style photos. Oh, we've got something that says evidence. Where would you put it? Maybe there. I think that could do with staining up. Trim that down and put it into the journal in a minute. I've put the flip pockets on the journal pages and you can see when you open them up, there's the big pocket at the back. However, they don't sit very flat, and I think that's because this has all been collaged and made itself quite thick. So what I'm going to do is put on a magnet closure. 2 magnets. I've only got these little ones. They're not, I'm saying they're not super strong, but I'm struggling to get them off. So keeping 2 together, we put them both on one side. I will try using the Fabri-Tac. I've never used the Fabri-Tac to put magnets on, but it's meant to glue everything, so let's see. So put a little splodge of Fabri-Tac glue on the magnet, and then we're going to pop it on there. If it's ever going to come off my finger is not magnetic, I promise. Let it sit. Once your magnets have had a couple of minutes and don't move on the page, you're ready to do the next stage, which is to put the glue on the second magnet, which is at the top, fold it over and push it down, and we'll do the same with this one. Then while those 2 set, just to make sure they stay down and I do not have to stay holding them, just get a big book and dump a weight on there. Okay, they've had a couple of minutes. Let's just test it. Yay! That worked beautifully. And it's going to keep them flat. I love it. Let's see if this one works. Yep. I'm not pulling at them hard because they're only little magnets. But that is so cool. Love that noise too. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help push this channel out on YouTube, and it's a free way that you can support these videos that I make. Another way you can support me is to subscribe to the channel. YouTube loves a new subscriber too. And let me know what you think of these magnetized flip out pockets for your junk journals in the comments below, and I will see you next time.